What is up, guys? David here from Overland Nomad, and on this episode it's going to be a little different. I'm putting a solar panel on the hood of the Tundra. Stay tuned. So the people at Lensun sent me this custom fitted solar panel for the Tundra. So they actually sell different variants of their solar panels to fit, like a Tacoma, Tundra. They have different models. You can check their website out. And they sent me this one for the Tundra. So I'm gonna be mounting it here, and they sent me everything that I need. They sent me this vinyl wrap so it protects the paint, which the paint's pretty much shot on the hood. But it's gonna go on here. It's gonna go right there. And then they didn't provide me this. You have to buy this, but I did get some 3M VHB tape off of Amazon. So this I will be using to stick this to this. And once we got that going, it's got these type of connectors which most of the solar panels use. So then the wires go into the hood, and then I'm going to connect them to this solar charge controller that they sent me out to. And then the controller will wire to the battery, so the battery is always getting its correct charge. I think that's how it works. I'm not a professional. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the camera. It's going to be a time lapse. You're going to hear me talking voiceover on certain parts. And let's do this. I first start off by washing the hood, making sure it's all clean. Next, spray soapy water on the hood, and especially on the sticky part of the wrap, which I didn't really show that on the video. I sprayed a good amount of it so that the wrap can move around once it's on the hood. Make sure you align it, get it all right. Now with the squeegee that was included with the wrap, start taking all the soapy water starting from the middle and going out. I used the heat gun on the edges just to make sure all the water was out, but just be very quick with the heat gun because leaving it too long on the wrap can damage it. Second step is applying the 3M VHV tape to the solar panel. If I could go back, I would make sure to have another roll of tape and apply it more on the front of the solar panel. I'll show y'all why in a bit. So the procedure was pretty easy, like I said earlier. Putting the vinyl wrap was the hardest thing, just to get it aligned. That's the hard part about it. And the solar panel, it's pretty easy to mount up. The only thing that I did not do right, maybe buy another roll of that tape, that 3M VHB tape which I bought off of Amazon. The reason why I say that is because if you're gonna put it on this model of Tundra, which the hood kind of curves, as you can tell, let me get closer over here. As you can see that it really curves, you're gonna need some extra adhesive on the front part to get it stuck, and mine's not sticking very well on the front. Even though I put 2 layers, it kind of pops up, which I've already driven the truck a few good miles in the city yesterday and today right now on the highway, and it's still pretty stuck on there. I actually used some adhesive glue on the sticky part and it didn't do anything, and now it looks ugly. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to buy another roll of tape and I'm going to redo it again. Learn from my mistakes. Make sure you apply a lot of that tape on the front. Other than that, it's a very simple install. It's really not hard at all. Let me show you under the hood. So the wiring is pretty straightforward. I kind of zip tied it on the hood, ran the wire. There you can see the connections from the solar panel to the controller. I hit the controller there in the back. Probably I might be placing it, once I get some of that tape, I'll probably place it up here on the fuse box, and then just ran it to the positive and negative, and that's all it has. It's pretty simple, and it does have the app, which I will show you guys. Okay, so I actually realized that there's no LCD screen on the controller, but they do have an app. You can see on the manual. So the controller has a manual, you can follow it there, and it's going to show you how to install it. Obviously pretty simple, but it does have an app. It's called like Solar Life, and it's a very basic application. It's showing you the different data that you need to see. It's going to show you the solar, how much it's bringing in. Obviously right now it's cloudy and I'm under trees, so it's not going to get much, but I think it's showing 1.5 watts coming in. The battery shows you the voltage, where it's at, and if there's any load at the moment, which there's none. So that's kind of nice that it does have an app. It's Bluetooth, so that's how you can read it. So you can be inside the vehicle and kind of check it out. But this solar panel is basically to charge up the battery when the car is off, because obviously the alternator is charging up the battery when it's running. And this, I think, will be a great help, so I can put a small fridge inside the truck, especially in the summertime. Today it is early January and it is cloudy. It's kind of breezy. It's not hot at all, but it gets really hot down here most of the other time of the year. So this thing will actually be really good to charge up the battery when I'm at work, where I'm at home. The fridge can just stay running, and having a fridge in the truck is actually really nice. I had it for a bit, especially if you do I do a lot of running, I do a lot of outdoor activities. It's nice to have some Gatorade or water in there. That's about it, guys. The only feedback I would give to Lensun is that they should at least include some of that adhesive tape in their package. I mean, for the whole package that you're getting the solar panel, obviously, you're getting the vinyl wrap, you're getting the controller. The last thing you need is that tape. I mean, imagine you get that package, you're all excited, good to go, and then you can't do it because you're missing the tape, you know? I think that they should really include that in their package. But again, you can buy that on Amazon, and maybe hopefully in the future they'll add that in their complete package. But that's about it on feedback. I think the product's pretty cool. It's very smart that you get to add it on the hood. You keep your battery completely charged up, especially if you're running a fridge, which I'm going to plan on doing inside the vehicle at all times. But yeah, you're going to be seeing the solar panel more often on the videos, because most of the videos has the Tundra in it. On most of my trips I go on the Tundra, so you're going to be seeing that solar panel a lot more, and if anything happens, I'll let you guys know. Check out Lensun. I'll put their link down below. You can check their products out. If you don't even if you don't have a Tundra, they do it for Tacomas, 4Runners, Land Cruisers. Check them out. And I think that's it, guys. If you're not subscribed, it'd be awesome if you did. Please like this video. I know everyone says all this stuff. If you can like the video, that'd be great. And you can find me on Instagram. So I think that's about it, guys. We'll see ya.